All right, so let's start with the really basics. And this immediately gives us some abilities that we didn't have before. So it's kind of fun. But really basics. First thing you want to do is from Pillow import image. Pillow is a huge library that has multiple modules in it. So I highly recommend just importing the things that you need. So from Pillow import image, and then we give it a file name as a string. Note this file name can be a path, absolute relative path, or just the file name if that file is in the same directory as your script. Okay, so the image file, we're going to create an image file object. So image.open, file name, and you do not have to give it a flag like we do with file.open. It's just the file name, and that creates an image that is based on the Pillow library's interpretation. So it takes that data and it interprets it into an image object. And then we use imagefile.show to actually show the image object. So I've got in Canvas this code that has a few extra things that we're going to use later, but I don't think I need to use load here. Let's try it without. Um, all right, so if I want to just show this, so I'm going to open a file called buildings.jpg. Okay, so I'm going to use image open and then image show. Oops, ran the SpongeBob one. There we go. Okay, so image.show just opens the image. So I'm opening that file as an image object and then I'm popping it open using show. And that is the very most basic thing you can do with Pillow is just open an object, open a file, and show it. It doesn't matter if it is a JPEG, a GIF, or a PNG. Pillow just handles it and turns it into a generic image file. Okay? So when we're opening, we're importing, we're giving it a file name, we're using image.open to return an image file, and then we're using show to show that image. So that's the basis for all of the stuff we're going to do.